I'm making another YouTube video on the Samsung Galaxy S4. This will be a audio test because I'm making an audio test because a person has commented on one of the videos that I made, and he said make a video on it on an audio test. So I will. So let's get started. But first, we're gonna watch a couple of videos on YouTube. Okay. Oh, oops. Just gotta make sure the volume's full. Okay. Let's go. Grab those. Okay. Come on. Okay, there we go. Alright, let's do this. Okay.
Ma'am, miss, I can have her ginger. Okay. You.
Just gotta wait till it loads a little bit, but this is gonna be an audio test because, you know, someone commented, so please guys tell me what I should do next, you know. Please tell me. Alright, so I can, you know, reason why I'm making these videos is because people have been telling me, you know. So thank you guys for telling me, you know. Just let me know what I should do next after this video. Now I'm gonna lower this halfway. Let's go up.
From the windy city where you're looking pretty with your blowhards, but come January you'll be left evicted and with no job. Raw rhymes stronger than my jawline when I spit a phrase, knocking you harder than front doors in my own mission days. You see this silver spoon, this the mass out of debt. Took you 4 years to drop unemployment down below 8%. You feel that, Barry? Your old news. Everyone's having doubts, and your rhymes are as weak as this economy that you've done nothing about. Call me a vicious businessman, cause Romney's stealing this race. I'll go big capital on your donkey ass, restructure your face.
Well, they say your father was a great man. You must be what's left. Need to stop hating on gays. Let them teach you how to dress. You got the mama jeans and a Mr. Fantastic face. So rich and white, it's like a running against a cheesecake. Republicans need a puppet and you fave. Got their hands so far up your rear, call you May. I'm the head of state. You're like a head of cabbage. About to get smacked by my stimulus package. You're a bad man with no chance. You can't even touch me. I got 4 more years. 2 terms in the White House. Just trust me. I hope you saved your best rhymes for the second half. Because right now, I'm 47% through kicking your ass.
Whatever! That 40% thing got you real mad. What did it remind you how many decent parents you had?
Look, I respect our religions, but it might get crazy if the White House is a first, second, and a third lady.
Ha! Don't bring up wives, man! What are you doing? You got hitched to the female version of Patrick Ewing!
Let me be clear. Don't get it twisted. We'll see how pretty your face is after my face is kissed.
You're a stuttering communist.
Oh, yeah? Well, you're stupid.
You're stupid.
I the power invested in me by the Shire Baldwin. President shall not be the shiniest of hooters.
Like you! Don't talk about chasing to her! I thought what was on my radar, 10 out 20! Where's Brewer?
Hey, you!
Money man! You're pancake! You flip dominant! It's a country, not a company! You can play like Monopoly! I'll probably reach across the aisle and bitch smack you as equals! I'm the people! By the people! For the people! Here you go!
Whole war! Posters! Judas on! Open! What bottle the
Here's one. No.
I represent cheer. You represent sandals and a scraggly beard. I'm from the North Pole, that's why my rhymes are so cold. I spit diamonds, but I'm serving up some fresh coal. You been a naughty boy, you brought a plague of frogs. You best arrest yourself, you broke your own law. Or was it something in Rule 6 I didn't understand? My list says kill the gypsy dude, buried him in sand. I read your book, you got a strict religion, no bacon. A mandatory circumcision. I'm a jolly bowl of jelly, giving holiday presents, but all the chosen people ever get for Christmas is jealous.
When I was high upon the mountain, God revealed the truths of the earth, but he never mentioned a fat-ass Papa Smurf. He takes 9 reindeers to haul your fat ass. You took the price out of Christmas and just added more mass. You need to stop breaking the houses and creeping them, peeping on 90 kids while they sleeping, and keep your hands off my stocking. Don't you ho-ho me, I split your ass in half like I did the Red Sea. You ain't a saint, you a slave like a pharaoh in the snow.
Okay, so that's the audio on that. What else should I do? Okay, I think that's it. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and comment on what I should do next. Oh, guys, sorry. Hey guys, this is my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and comment on what I should do next after this.